Now on this video I'm going to try to show how I fix broken gear blocks. It's a common problem with stunt ships, especially if you make the wire that enters into the wing a little bit too short. In the olden days, people didn't realize that was a terrible lever arm, and it used to cause a lot of failures. Of course, over the years we've modernized that technology a little bit. And thank you to Len Burrell and Ray Dory both for donating the pictures and the video that I used to make this video. I hope this is useful information. Okay, so the first thing we got to do, what's happened, I want to explain so people know. Rich had a little accident taken off, and it's the block inside that's busted. So the choices are, we're going to cut this block out so we don't scar the plane. This is just a little dent. Then glue that bottom block in, and then come back up and glue this, put this back. So the first thing we need is some brand new blades. You really got to do one first, and we're probably going to have to make a new part. But there's got to be plywood in here and a little gear block or something. Luckily, the hobby shop's open today.
Just opened. I just opened it. I cleaned it out. Okay, so we'll go on and you have to buy everything from me now.
Bernie, see if you could round up some 5-minute epoxy somewhere. Somewhere in the shop, there's got to be 5 minutes. That one may be broken.
Actually, it's solid.
It's
up here.
That's a rib there.
Yeah, but it's what I'm saying. It's still solid, but it's broke away down here.
So we resolved why it broke. Now, for anybody who doesn't know, this wire should be attached to another block up here. This wire should be longer. When you make this wire short, you get retracts.
Unless you load it down with a lot, it's going to be weaker because you get in there and put you a false rib or something in there to help hold it. Because all you're going to do is put a block on the sheeting. So that's going to put a lot of stress on the sheeting because there's no material here for you to get to. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, you see the Fox valve is just for the Fox crankshaft.
So Richard's going to come down, go to Hobby Shop, try to get some stainless steel tubing. But we're basically, we've got to repair this, and we've got to get a block on the other side of the wing to do this right. How you feeling, Bob? You want me to shut the door? You want me to shut the door, John? No, that's good. Okay. We may have some cursing.
So John, I don't want to take it all off. I just want to do this one corner so John can sign it for me. John Broder. Oh. This was the first one off the production line.
Well, he sold that to me. Oh. Bob's United kit.
I'll just go get another one.
If you like a United kit, well, I could sign his name. So what we did, we made up little gear blocks that are going to go on the top, and we're going to extend the wire with little pieces of copper wire. That's the plan anyway, while Rich cuts that out. And believe it or not, it cleared up. It's a beautiful day, so we want to finish this up so Rich can get a flight in here. Maybe, maybe not, we'll find out. One block almost finished, one ready to go in, and we're just moving right along. This will fly today. It looks better without the decals.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they're all peeling up and everything anyway.
Curdling up.
Look at this. It's not good. All right, you want to take that leg out and block sand that and harden it with the CA if you can. That's, and then we'll do the same thing to this one. Yeah, we're coming up on the end of this repair. Just get it almost flush, and then put some thin CA on it, because that thin CA, don't get any in the blind nuts, of course. That thin, put the bolts in fact, before you do it. Put a little oil on the bolts. You know what I mean? If the thin CA gets in there, then we're going to have to rip them out again. All right. I get no respect. What can I tell you?
You get what you deserve, John. Don't cut your finger off.
Oh man, that's looking good. We're gonna mount that on a 2,000 horsepower engine pretty soon.
And when you're done, I want this drill press lickety-split clean.
All right.
Well, John Brodak's gonna let the air out of your tires.
All right. That sounds
How's
good.
this coming?
All right.
Next.
Next.
All right, next victim.
See, if this was my plane, you know the Novanta, what I did to cure this problem?
This will be.
When we broke it apart, I glued the gear in.
The difference between
One down, one to go.
get it whipping in
Well,
the
we
wind.
should.
Well, the screw will get rid of the glue, just go in and out 4
On a windy
times.
day,
should use a
we should
metal
have
screw,
flight streaks, so we'll have.
Use a
rain
steel
in-
screw if you want, I'll put a point on it.
because this one is a little.
Yeah, you're gonna pull the threads right off it.
So just to summarize, the real cure for this problem is to never have it break in the first place. And when you're building the model, make that piece of wire that goes into the wing almost come out the top of the wing. Now on a Strega, which has a thick wing, it's very easy to do. Make it go right almost to the sheeting on the other side of the wing. That gives you a lot less leverage. It gives you the leverage of not breaking the block instead of the leverage to break the block. Now, on a repair like this, one of the ways you can beat the system, and we used it several times already, I don't remember if we did it on this one, is use next size bigger copper tubing to extend the wire. Now, you can do that in some cases on a repair like this and get away with it, but it's much, much better if when you actually build the model, make that piece of wire that goes into the wing and the block that's almost coming out the top of the wing. The more leverage you can get, the more resistance you can get, the less chance there is you'll have retracts or have a problem like this. Now, in this case, it's a great memory because we got this plane back flying the same day, and didn't cause Rich any anxiety. There was no scar left on the model. Unfortunately, sometimes there's a lot of work you have to do to fix it, and that's the way it is. Now, after fixing a lot of gear blocks on my own ships and on other people's ships, I came up with the general rule, and on the bombers, I could make that wire even an inch longer because it went up into the nacelle. But if you make the wire that goes up into the wing as long as possible, that's the best insurance you have that you will not have retracts. I tried to include that we did include it, in fact, on the Spitfire drawing, I'm sure, that Joe Adamusco did. Joe and I both did the same thing. It's really even more important on a model that has wheel pants, because if the wheel pants break and go back, usually they go up through the wing and do a lot of damage. So I hope the information on this video has some value, and that the simple point that I'm trying to make on this will allow you to have a lot more reliability with wing gear. I like wing gear. It has to be wing gear for certain semi-scale models. And on my models, even the ones that are not semi-scale, I did not want to create some unreliable thing that I had to worry about landing in the grass or hitting a little toss strip or something. And this method that I showed on this video, again, I hope it's useful. I thank you for watching the video and hope you did enjoy it.